how to get Twilio Verify Service SID. In this video, I'll show you how to get Twilio Verify Service SID. So to be able to get that, you'll need to go ahead and create a Verify service inside your Twilio console. So on your Twilio console, go ahead and head over into the Verify tab at the left side of your screen. Under that, click on the Services tab. And then once you're in here, go ahead and click on this plus button at the top right. And then that will allow you to select from here. So go ahead and select the service that you want to use for verifications. For example, I want to use a multi-channel verification. I'll just need to select that, and then that will take me into this section. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and select the channel, select what phone number, and then you'll be able to find your authorization token and response. And then after that, you can go ahead and proceed on configuring and continue on building. So once you're done with this, you'll be able to find your service SID that starts with the VA code, and then this is your Verify Service SID you'll use in your API calls to send and check OTPs. And that is how you can basically get Twilio Verify Service SID. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.